Hi guys and welcome back. So today I want to talk to you about the new statement that the CDC put out stating that they would like everyone to wear masks, and here in South Florida there are certain areas that you have to wear masks, so it's mandatory. So on the CDC website they have the steps and the different types of masks that you guys can make at home, and you don't have to go out and buy any material. You guys should be able to find all of these materials at home. Now what you'll need, I have an old t-shirt here, you see there's a spot, so just use any old t-shirt that you have because we'll be cutting this. Okay guys, let's start with the CDC website's no-sew method, because this would be the most popular one for everyone at home. So open out your t-shirt and they're saying you're going to cut from 7 to 8 inches. So let me just measure that to make sure. So 7 to 8, so let's do 8. 8 will be here. So just give that a mark. And we're going to cut that straight across. Okay guys, so what we're going to do now is when you cut that piece out, we're going to measure again 6 to 7 inches this way. Right? So I'm actually going to do 8, and to line it up you may have to do like 8.5 just to line it up, because the bottom of the t-shirt was not tapered, so it was like a little outwards. So you'll do 8.5. What I probably should do is draw a line, so it'll be easier to help me when I have to cut. So we're going to draw a line from there to here, and then you're going to draw a line to connect those two dots. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then draw another line here. This, and you're going to cut the outline out. Right, so once you've done that, this is what it would look like if it's a handle bag. You're going to cut this piece open, and you're going to cut this piece open. So guys, now let's try this out and let's put it on. So guys, now to test out the face mask that we used, and I'm just going to put this part, I'm just bending that top over, bringing it over to my nose, going up like this, and you're going to take this and tie it like here. I want it to go over like this. Make sure that it's snug, and then you're going to take the bottom piece and you're going to tie that also. So you want to tie it really well so it's secured into place, and make a knot. So you see, tie it, you secure it into place, you make a knot. You just adjust it on your face, and there you have it. Your homemade face mask. It covers your entire face. Really easy to make, really easy to put together. And all of your materials, all you need is a t-shirt and a scissors. How easy is that? So if you're wearing gloves, inside out, throw them away. Disinfect or sanitize your hands. Then, or if you're home, wash your hands. Then you're going to undo like this. Undo the bottom. Hold it like this. You're not anywhere close to your face. And then this, you're going to throw it to wash. So guys, another note and I wanted to mention was masks. There's a company called Florida Masks, and I will leave their link in the description box for you all. They are making 3-layer face masks that are medically approved by our hospitals, because the hospitals are using these face masks. They have been donating, trying to help out as much as they can. So for us to show our appreciation to them, I would like if you all could go check out their website, which I will list down below. let's support them and let's purchase masks for our family once you could. So thank you guys again. Please remember, wear your face mask. Please remove it how I showed you guys this, and how to take care of it. Wash it after, wash your hands. Please just stay safe, everyone. This is what we need. We need everyone to stay safe. So the masks you can order online. It ships to your home and you don't have to leave your home to go get it. So it's only available in the US. So for everyone in the US, I hope you guys give his masks a try. And for those of you who cannot, please make one of these. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.